Everyone, welcome back to 3-2 and Go. So today we're gonna find a fossil. Our challenge is to get this to work. Basic things. This terrain is rough. $1 million mansion in the background. My house. Just kidding. I don't even know whose house that is. So our plan is to get down there, get this to work. Let's do it. Everyone's doing little things outside. I just did a little clouds video. Hey, by the way, if my voice is different, it's still me. There's also prickly pear cactuses here. It's weird. I don't live in somewhere where there would normally be cactuses.
I need someone to take my sweatshirt. I don't want to wear it.
Put it on the side for now.
I'm over Let's put it right here.
Yeah, so this is the rock formation. And I'm going to set my vlogging screen down.
Okay.
Work.
It's being so I can't adjust to the music. So, can you? If you can, you have good sense of taste to walk with. But if I can't,
Come short it out.
are you serious? Everything is getting dirty. My new sweater, my iPad. Oh,
That's not wet.
no, look.
Oh,
That's bad.
oh. And by the way, we might have to end this right now.
I'm
Bye,
making
Go
a
Squad.
second scene.
See you later.